Hello students, welcome to Get to Know with Sonali. So today we are going to solve a question from algebraic identities chapter. So this is our question. 48 क्यूब minus 30 क्यूब minus 18 क्यूब. तो जब आप इस क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि आपको इसका क्यूब निकालना है, इसका क्यूब निकालना है, इसका क्यूब निकालना है, फिर प्लस माइनस करके आंसर निकालना है. पर नहीं, इस क्वेश्चन को हम algebraic identities की हेल्प से सॉल्व करेंगे. So which identity we are going to use? So we are going to use a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now see how. If we add these numbers, so what is a here? A is 48, b is minus 30 and c is minus 18. If we do a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, what do we get? So 48 plus b is minus 30 plus c is minus 18. So we get 48 minus 30 minus 18. Now minus 30 minus 18 is minus 48. Minus 30 minus 18 is minus 48. So 48 minus 48 is 0. So therefore, a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Now in this formula, if this a plus b plus c is equals to 0, if we keep 0, so this right hand side itself becomes 0. Because 0 multiplied by anything is 0, therefore a plus b plus c is 0, so right hand side becomes 0. So therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to 0. Okay. So therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. If I take 3abc to right hand side, it becomes plus 3abc. Now this is what we have to find out. 48 cube minus 30 cube minus 18 cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So this is 48 cube plus minus 18 cube plus, sorry, this is minus 30 cube plus minus 18 cube. So this is equals to 3abc. So 3 into 48 into minus 30 into minus 18. So you have to find out the product and get the answer here. Write your answer in the comment section, and based on this identity and based on this question, you have to solve one more question and type your answer in the comment section. The question is 1.5 cube minus 0.9 cube minus 0.6 cube. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.